friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss one of the interesting topic which is very special for you people. So the topic is like how to use all the mobile device in your personal computer. So if you have a problem with your handset, so you can use this approach. So let's start. So this is the method. All the mobile device is there, so you can see. So BlackBerry Z30, BlackBerry Playbook, BlackBerry Note 3. So all the mobile device is there, so you can see so many mobile device. Even iPhone 6, 7, 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPad Pro, even Apple operating system, iPhone operating system also is there. Galaxy S5. I am using Galaxy. That's why I'll select Galaxy S5. So what I need to do? So I have to I'm using mouse because of this method. So click the right button on the mouse. Okay, after that inspect element, select inspect element. Okay, after that what can I do? You can see after that what I am doing, you can see Control F5. Okay, select Control F5. Okay, you can see some changing is there. Okay, it's changing like this. Okay, it's changing. So Galaxy S5. So I'm selecting Galaxy S5. You can select iPad, iPro, iPhone X, whatever you are using your handset. As you can, whatever you are using as you wish. So Galaxy S5, I'm using this. So this is Galaxy method. Okay, Samsung Galaxy. Samsung Galaxy version is there. So okay, so I am to mention actually my social media also. This is my YouTube channel Noor Ahmad. So my subscriber is my total current subscriber is 300. So I'm requesting to you people, so please subscribe my channel. So it will be very helpful. I'm creating the unique video which is unique for you, which is unique for me also. I'm trying and I'm researching so many topic. It's like this topic is very important. So if your phone snatching, so you can use this method by your laptop. So it will be very helpful. If your phone is any problem, so you can use this method. Okay. Even I'm using Instagram, so in the Instagram I'm using my phone operating system. So this is very easy for me. This is very easy for you people. Okay, so this is my Facebook, which the social media, my friends is 2.3k. so my name is like same. Okay, in Twitter also, this is my new Twitter account. As you can see, my name is like same. And this is my LinkedIn professional ID. So you can see my name is like totally same. It's not like different. Noor Ahmad. Yes, Noor Ahmad. My name is same. My friends in the LinkedIn 1150 means 1.1k plus. Okay. In Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So my requesting to you people, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, please support me. I will always with you people. Thank you so much.